Hello dear students, welcome back in math session. Today here we are going to study the property of the angle bisector of a triangle. Now in previous lecture we already studied how to draw an angle bisector. Now in this video we are going to study the property of angle bisector of triangle. Now for that, first I am drawing randomly one triangle. Okay, suppose I am giving the name to the triangle as a triangle ABC. Okay, and now I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of all these three angles. Suppose here is the first angle, second angle and third angle. So we know that initially randomly we mark the arc from this. Suppose here we want to divide this first angle. Okay, now we draw a randomly arc of any length, then take a distance greater than half of this length. We keep the compass at this point, draw an arc. Second, we keep at this point and draw an arc. They will intersect at this point. Okay, so now let us given to this point name as D, suppose. Okay, now next we draw the angle bisector of this second angle. Again we take randomly an arc. Okay, we draw an arc, then take a distance greater than half of the length. Okay, now we keep first at this point, mark an arc. Okay, then again keep at the second point and mark an arc, and now where this arc will intersect, given the name to the point as a E. Okay, so first we draw the angle bisector of this first angle. Okay, then we draw the angle bisector of this second line. Okay, and now third, again we have to divide the angles, draw the angle bisector of angle C. So again we draw an arc, then take distance greater than half of this length. We keep the first at this point, draw an arc, then keep at the second point, draw it, second arc. Now I will draw the angle bisector of this. Okay, and now most important thing is what? Now if you are observing, all this bisector will meet at this single point, suppose name as O. Okay, and this is the property of angle bisector of triangle. Now what is that property? That is, I am writing here, the angle bisectors of a triangle are congruent. Now what is meant by congruent? That is, all these three bisectors passing through a single common point. Okay, and when the two or more lines passing through a one common point, then these lines are said to be congruent. Therefore here all the three bisectors, okay, passing through this single point O. So the angle bisectors of a triangle are congruent. Okay, and where the point through which all these three bisectors are passes, that point is called the point of congruence. Congruence is called the incenter. Is called the incenter. Okay, means here the point O is called the point of incenter. So this is the property of the angle bisectors of triangle. Okay, again I am telling, I draw randomly one triangle, triangle ABC. Now three angles are there, angle A, okay, angle B, okay, angle C, okay. So first we draw the angle bisector of angle A. So for that we draw a randomly arc of any radius, then take a distance greater than half of this supposed length AC or the AB. We keep first initially at this point, mark an arc, keep second, then mark an arc which intersect A. So A. So I am writing here the bisectors. Okay. For angle A, the bisector is what? A. Okay, this one. Similarly, for angle B is now here. Again, draw randomly arc. Use the same procedure, and you get the BD. Okay, this BD is the angle bisector of angle B. Similarly, here is the angle C. We draw a C, and here the name as a F. Okay, so CF is the what? Angle bisector of angle C. Okay, and all these three bisector meet or passing through at one point. That point is called the incenters. Here the point is called incenter, and all these bisector passing through a single point. Therefore, all bisectors are congruent. And now this is the property of the angle bisectors of triangle. Okay, now in next lecture we will study the property of perpendicular bisector of the sides of triangle. So I hope all of you understood this property. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.